Well, they're just called triplets or triple steps, okay? So triplets are just 3 steps, okay? So we can just start on the right foot and we can go 1, 2, 3. There's your triplet. Now what makes it a triplet is the different levels that we take and the different dynamics that we take. So, for instance, we can stay up on our demi point and we can go down, up, up, down, up, up. I'll just walk around the room doing triplets, down and up, down, up, down, up, up. Okay, so that's one way to take them. They can go faster or they can go slower. It's completely up to you or the music that you're using. Okay. The other version, of course, is just up, up, up. So we could just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On your demi point, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we've got a cross triplet. So a cross triplet, you're going to take your right leg and you're going to go across, side, middle, across, side, middle, across, side, middle. Now when you go across, you're going to take the foot in front of the other foot. So we go in front and across, out to the side and straight back onto this foot. Okay? So we remember it's almost like that ball change feel that we've had in the previous exercise. Almost like a ball change. So we go side, ball change, side, ball change, out, across, out, middle. Now what I like to do to give it a real jazzy sort of feel, I'm going to step across and I'm going to have a slight lean to the side. As I step to the side, I'm going to reach my arm down and round, so giving breath underneath here. And I'm going to point this toe right down to that corner. So we go across, reach, across, reach. Now if you leave it until the very last second to step onto that foot, it gives it a little bit of excitement. So it's not just step, side, middle, step, side, middle. You want to give it some light and shade, give it all those different dynamics, okay? So we go across, side, and then just let the arm float down afterwards. Across, side, middle, across, side, middle, okay? Another one we can do is a switch triplet. So a switch triplet, you're going to step up. Now, very similar to a switch turn, you're going to pivot on the balls of the feet and step forwards again. So we go step, pivot, step. Then we go on the other foot. Step, pivot, step. Okay? So we've got step, pivot on this foot, and step onto this one. Step, now step onto this foot. Now keep stepping. Step, step, step. Change your feet every time. Change your feet every time. Okay? Ooh, don't know where I was going then. You're changing your feet every time, and if you can, try and point those toes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I take those up on a demi point with nice straight legs because I find it easier to have nice pulled up legs, everything pulled up. I feel like if you're going to go down, up, it's going to be a little bit messier. So to start with, we're just going to do those on a demi point. So we go up, switch, turn, up, switch, turn. Okay? Now, we're going to put those together. We're going to start with our triplets, okay? So starting on your right leg, just down, up, down, up. I'm going to start all the way back here. We go down, up, down, up. I'm now going to cross my right foot over the top of my left. So we go across, side, middle, across, side, middle. I just travelled it slightly back just so I don't run out of space, okay? Now we're going to do a switch triplet. So we go up, switch, step, up, switch, step. We're going to drag to the side and we're going to get ready to go on the next side. So we're going to take our right foot and we're going to drag to the side. So we lift up slightly. We're going to bend the knees. And this one's going to go up nice and straight. This one's going to be on a plie. Okay? So we go left, slide, and take the arm up. Whoosh. And you can do anything you want there. Give it a little bit of Okay? So all together, the steps go down, up, up, down. We go across and across. Now we go switch, other way, and slide, come together. Okay? And we're going to pop the other leg now. So we're going to pop this one. So if you have quite a small space, you can just do this travelling anywhere around the room. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to start in the corner and travel my way down. Okay? So we're going to start with the right foot, and we're going to travel down first. So we go down, up, down, up, across, side, middle, across, side, middle. Now we're going to do our switch triplet. So we go up, switch, step, up, switch, step. I'm going to drag and slide back up to this corner, slide, bring my foot in and get ready to go on the other side. So now I should be on my left foot. Here we go. So we go down, up, down, up, step in front, across, side, middle, across, side. Now we're going to do our switch. Up, switch, step, up, switch, step. I'm going to drag up to this corner, so I lift up my back leg, drag, and you really want to step it out and get as close to that corner as you can. Drag and bring it in. I should have pivoted on the ball of my foot, not my heel then. Okay? Let's try that with some music.